Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you a Forex trading strategy that I think anybody can master, alright? And as you can see here from the chart, you don't need any fancy indicators, alright? I'm going to show you a Forex strategy that was able to capture about 800 pips over 4 days without using any indicators at all. Let's do this. Alright, what's up guys? It's Mark here at NinjaTrader. Hope your Forex trading is going very well. And for those of you that know me, okay, you guys know that I try to give it to you guys straight. Alright, we're not looking to make friends, we're not looking to fool around, we're looking to make money. Right? We're looking to grab those pips in Forex. That is the entire game when it comes to Forex trading. Alright, whatever strategy you have, if it's not designed to capture as many pips as possible on a daily basis, you're just wasting your time, right? You're just fooling around. And the sad reality is that most traders are looking at crap like this, right? What I call the BS chart, the bullcrap chart, where they look at this useless garbage like Bollinger Bands, moving average lines, stochastics, RSI. Guys, you got to realize that indicators on their merits are useless. Okay, because they are lagging. They tell you what happened previously and in historical. It doesn't tell you what's going to happen in the Forex market, right? It's not a predictive tool. And that's why most retail traders fail miserably, right? Those are the stats. I'm not telling you anything new here. 95% of Forex traders are retail traders. Right? There's only 5% that trade professionally, okay? And I'm not talking about Forex bank traders or institutions. I'm talking about professional Forex traders just like you who take this seriously and spend a couple of hours a day, every day, looking for awesome trading setups, okay? So what's the difference? What is the difference between the 5% of professional Forex traders and the 95% of Forex losers? Right? Well, again, my opinion is that it comes down to the chart style, right? If you want to succeed at Forex, you got to have the right chart style, what I call price action charts, okay? So check this out, all right? Watch this very carefully. You're really going to appreciate and understand the difference between pro charts and retail charts. Okay, watch this. With one click of my mouse, I'm going to take this chart right here and make it look like this, okay? Where you can really spot nice, clean, and organized signals, right? What I consider to be the starting point of trends. Here's a nice, beautiful starting point of a trend. Here's another nice, beautiful starting point of a trend. Here's another nice starting point of a trend. You understand what I'm saying? Like, if I contrast this professional chart with this garbage right here, you tell me which one you'd rather be trading with, right? Would you rather be trading this nonsense right here, or would you rather be trading a clean and organized chart output display? That's what this is, right? It's a chart style. You're not going to see any indicators. You're not going to see any nonsense, no overlays, no nothing, okay? That's what price action means. But here's the thing. We're not done, all right? Let me show you exactly what you do when you identify a long signal. Right? Simply the first green bar after any red, that's your long signal. What do? Here's what you do. You identify the bar, which we just did, and you capture the high and you capture the low of that signal bar. Okay? So far, so good. This area represents your retracement zone. All right? For those of you that don't know too much about retracement trading, guys, I recommend you check out any of the other hundreds of videos on my channel. It's filled with tutorials on how to master retracement trading in 2 simple steps. All right, if you ask me, retracement trading is the only methodology that's been proven. All right, don't take my word for it. All right, it's been proven to work. Okay, so what do you do with this retracement zone? Well, what you want to do is take this retracement zone and pop it into a micro chart. All right, now I've come up with something called the T-bar chart. That's what you see here now on this screen, but I guess you could use any micro chart that you'd like. All right. I happen to like T-bars just because it's very, very good at helping you figure out what's a nice place to put your stop, right? Don't ever forget, guys, if you're going to trade, you got to use stops. All right. Now, so far, there's nothing fancy here, right? All I've done is I've taken one retracement zone and I've popped it into a smaller chart. That's it. Okay. Now, here's where the magic happens, guys. All right. When price is inside the retracement zone, like it is right now, all you want to do is draw pivot points. Okay. Nothing complicated about this. A pivot point is simply an area where price made a turn, right? That's what these dots represent. Let me finish drawing all of them because all of them are important, right? So once you have your pivot points drawn and the price is inside the retracement zone, here's all you have to do. Connect the dots, man. Right? Boom. Draw a trend line connecting the dots. Whenever that trend line breaks, you take your entry and you place your stop 1 pip below the recent swing high, right? And I know what you're going to say. You're going to say, hey, Mark, this thing took off, but didn't you get stopped right out over here? Yes, you did. That's the nature of Forex, right? Hopefully on this trade right here, what I'm going to call trade number 1, hopefully you took some off the table. So even though you got stopped out, you didn't lose, right? But check it out. Price is still inside the retracement zone. What does that mean? That means you still got to look for longs. How do you look for longs? Connect the dots, man. Right? There's the second trend line. Trade gets filled right over here. You put your stop 1 pip below the most recent swing low, which would be right there. Okay? Now, if I squish this in, which is what I'm going to do right now, look at how this thing took off. Let me move this out of the way, guys, all right? Look at how this thing took off from a simple trend line. That's all we did, guys, okay? All we did was draw a simple trend line, and look how this thing just took off, okay? And our stop never got touched, all right? Everything that you just saw me do here inside the retracement zone, if I jump back to the Dino Bar chart, what I call the big picture chart, all of that happened right in this box here, right? And you can see the thing just take off for a massive winner. You understand what I'm saying? And that was just one session. I could have shown you the same exact pattern on the previous session over here. I could have shown you the same exact pattern on the previous session over here, right? Now listen, I'm not saying that Forex trading is easy, right? If it was easy, we'd all be billionaires. But, okay, if you are serious about making money with a nice and simple Forex trading strategy, it's got to make sense. You understand what I'm saying? Contrasting this chart right here with this garbage that 95%, this is no joke, just look up the stats, 95% of traders out there are using garbage candlesticks and garbage indicators, right? There's always going to be a difference between retail traders and professional traders, all right? And I'm not saying that to be obnoxious, guys. I'm not, okay? At the beginning of this video, what did I tell you? I said I give it to people straight. You may not like that, okay? But this is the reality, and this is the truth behind compiling an effective Forex trading strategy. You understand what I'm saying? When you have a clean and organized chart display just like this, okay, it lets you clearly and obviously spot price action trends in the market, any session, any market, any time frame. This is how you win at Forex trading. All right, this is how you join the ranks of a professional Forex trader. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something fascinating. If you have any questions on these Dino Bars, get in touch. And guys, as always, I'll see you on the next trade.